Lesson 8b. Adding action. So far, we have seen some of the main features of Scratch, like stage, sprites area, block palette, scripts area, costumes, and backdrops. Let us look at some examples. Let us make a sprite move. Demo exercise 1. Make your sprite move. Open Scratch Online Editor. Before getting started, let's give a name to this exercise. Type your exercise name in this field. Step 1. Select Move 10 Steps block from Motion category in the block palette and drop it in the scripts area. Step 2. Click the Move 10 Steps block to see the cat moving 10 steps to the right. You can click this block as many times as you want to move the cat or sprite. Step 3. We can change the number of steps cat moves by clicking on the text field in the instruction block, then changing the existing number. For example, let's say 50 instead of 10. Now, click on block to see your sprite taking 50 steps towards right. Step 4. If you want to make cat move 50 steps to the left, enter -50 in the text field and click block to move the cat to the left. Saving your exercise. To save your exercise, select File and click on Save Now. Explore code block. To know more about a code block, click on it and learn more about the block. Demo exercise 2. Instruct your sprite to rotate 90 degrees and say hello. This is getting interesting. Step 1. Select Turn 15 degrees block from Motion category in the block palette and drop it in the scripts area. Observe what happens when you click on the block. The cat turns by 15 degrees. But our task is to rotate the cat by 90 degrees. So, delete 15 from the text field inside this block and enter 90. Step 2. After rotating 90 degrees, the cat has to say hello. To perform this action, drag and drop Say Hello block from Looks category below Turn 90 degrees block. Step 3. Now check what happens when you click on any one of these blocks. Sprite turns 90 degrees and says hello. Demo exercise 3. Instruct sprite to make the sound meow. Step 1. We can get the cat to say meow by dragging and dropping Play Sound Meow block from Sound category in the scripts area. Step 2. When you click on Play Sound Meow block, cat makes the sound meow. You can play around with these features of Scratch by yourself. Practice exercises are given. So, go ahead and play with the features to gain confidence.